ladies and gentlemen. Let me start by congratulating the Vietnam Fatherland Front, the Center for Community Support and Development Studies, and UNDP, as well as their partners, for the elaboration of the 5th PAPI report, which is indeed an important milestone. Talking about milestones, the year 2016 marks 30 years of Doi Moi, the reform process which has made Vietnam a remarkable development success story. The country's extreme poverty rate has declined from close to 60% in the early 1990s to 3% today. On several human development indicators, such as life expectancy or literacy, Vietnam is on par with countries with much higher income levels. In 2010, Vietnam reached low middle income country status. There is no doubt that the improvement of governance in general, and of the public administration in particular, has contributed to those spectacular results. Support to governance and public administration reforms has been a priority of Switzerland's collaboration with Vietnam over the last 20 years. Direct democracy, decentralization, division of power between the national, provincial, and even community governments, the part-time voluntary work of citizens for the commune or province, and the importance of citizens' consultation, engagement, and participation in political decisions at all levels are key features of the Swiss political and administrative system and institutions. Against this background, Switzerland naturally became a partner and sponsor of the PAPI project when it was approached by UNDP back in 2011. We thought that public administration reform in Vietnam would be more effective if people can provide their feedback on the government's performance at local and provincial level. Such mechanisms have strengthened public administration in Switzerland and served our country very well. PAPI precisely allows people to assess the performance of the local government in terms of policy implementation and service delivery, in the areas where people are supposed to know, discuss, participate, and verify. Let me now turn to the PAPI findings, which highlight some national trends in provincial performance over the last 5 years. PAPI looks at 6 dimensions. In 2 dimensions, namely public administrative procedures and quality of public service delivery, citizens are relatively more satisfied compared to the other 4 dimensions assessed, and the results have remained relatively stable over the whole period. Regarding 3 dimensions, namely transparency, vertical accountability, and control of corruption in the public sector, the results have been up and down over the last 5 years. Overall, however, they have unfortunately deteriorated since the last PAPI report. And last, people's participation at local levels has continuously deteriorated since 2011. The above-mentioned trends sent a clear message. The governance environment in the areas measured by PAPI has not improved, and 5 out of 6 dimensions even deteriorated. With other words, there is a lot of room for improvement. And it is particularly relevant at this point in time, when there is an ongoing debate on how Vietnam could avoid getting stuck in the middle income trap. Evidence from a large number of countries indicates that an important part of the answer is to strengthen governance, especially the government's capacity and effectiveness at all levels, from the central to the local. Boosting accountability and transparency and creating opportunities for citizen feedback on the performance of the public administration will help Vietnam achieve this. And PAPI through its extensive survey, collecting responses of thousands of citizens from all 63 provinces, provides the necessary information. Its time series data enables policymakers and implementers to understand the performance of the state and its public service delivery agencies over time. It also provides an insight into citizens' preferences, which helps policymakers to more effectively tailor new policies and reforms to the needs of citizens. However, PAPI will only have a major impact if its findings are used in policy formulation and monitoring. For this purpose, PAPI findings need to be even more widely disseminated, discussed, and transformed into action at the central and provincial levels. It is very positive that so far more than 40 provinces have organized PAPI workshops, and 26 provinces have used PAPI in their action plans, directives and resolutions to improve their governance and public administration reforms. We strongly encourage the remaining provinces to follow suit. And we hope that PAPI will continue beyond 2016, calling on the local partners to continue supporting this undertaking. We further believe that this initiative has contributed and should continue to contribute to Vietnam's governance reforms, which are the linchpin for the country's further development towards prosperity, creativity, equity, and democracy. In this year, where Switzerland and Vietnam celebrate the 45th anniversary of bilateral relations, we certainly wish our host country lots of success. Thank you.